Welcome to the
Short Girls Collective.
We do everything that tall girls do.
And more. Smash it.
Stop it, come here. Because I have a very important question to ask you.
What? You have a question?
Yeah.
How dare you? How dare you come with
What
questions?
is your Zomato strategy? And it
food-
depends on when you're ordering lunch, dinner or
Breakfast के लिए कोई नहीं उठा है आज
breakfast
तक.
के लिए people who go to office order, no? Chayos and stuff.
I think they just go to work, pick it up from there, and they eat over there. But then again, I've never worked a single day in my life.
I
so
was in
can't
a I
really be
was
sure.
in an office in Delhi. It was a magazine.
Huh.
I won't name them.
Name
but
it.
people would
West-
people there
तो
would
context तो
no
चाहिए.
no
हाँ.
context. People there would just review food all the time. One of the reasons I left working there was
Yeah.
because from
Oh, I know
morning
which magazine.
don't
Okay,
say
okay,
it.
yeah.
I loved working there.
Yeah.
But I just couldn't handle. We would start ordering at 10 a.m. from Chola Bhatura to salad days
Yeah.
to McDonald's to
The salad days is to
momos.
compensate for the chole bhature.
Like insane. By the time it's 8 p.m., we have had 5 big meals. After 2-3
who's paying
months.
for this? Another quick question.
No,
How
sometimes
do
no. A
office
lot of the
dynamics
food
work?
was coming for free, like brands like Biryani, Blues, and all
Because
of
they
these.
really
Yeah,
need
they were
it.
launching. No, of course they were launching. So we were reviewers. It was insane. Like the whole thing. It's like the smell of jalebi mixing with chola bhatura.
That's insane.
In the
nahi.
craziest way.
Nahi,
And you're
that's
just
like
like,
a-
oh my god.
That's a food orgy.
You're just dying because you're trying to write emails, but you're so sleepy all the time. Coming back to Zomato, what is your Zomato strategy?
Okay, so my Zomato, it literally works like I open the app. First thing I'm doing, 4.
Really?
4 straight. ठीक है 4 hunger depending distance.
Oh, like you do the rating first.
100%.
What about
so,
cuisine?
but I've realized that they are. मेरी ये वाली photo देख लो.
What about cuisine? Wait, don't you do cuisine first? Or are you the kind of person
No, I
who
already
doesn't know
know.
what they're gonna order?
No, I already know what I want.
Yeah.
So I know that जो भी ऊपर आएंगे, right? I've done experimenting. We have spent minimum, like December, I was afraid that Zomato मेरा नाम release कर देगा कि highest spender नहीं होते हैं
Yeah,
जो December
yeah,
वाली
yeah,
list में
yeah,
होते हैं. And हमने उसका order देखा, he ordered 3 times a day. I'm like, I was so fucking close.
Yeah.
But
There was a guy, they did release.
he ordered 3 times a
and
day.
he was like the highest orderer.
Which doesn't make any sense because everyone's
and he
ordering.
was not even from Delhi, or what?
But I feel like he came from a joint family. मेरे दिमाग में ना मैंने already उसकी back story बनाई है कि ये joint family थी और ये सबके लिए
But
order
he
कर रहा है.
never rode on that wave. He never.
He did nothing
There
about
was nothing
it.
about it.
There
Like,
was Subway
I never
and
saw
Jared.
him on Instagram.
Remember Jared?
No.
Jared खुद order करता था. Kanish, this is a question for you.
I don't
Jared
know.
खुद order करता था क्या? खाना Subway में.
Who's Jared?
You don't know Jared and Subway?
No.
How? This guy.
No, okay.
He literally rose to fame saying, I have lost, I think, over 100 kgs. He was like this big. He became a skinny guy saying that I had subs every day
Okay.
for lunch, dinner, and
Okay,
breakfast. And
okay.
that's how I lost weight.
So he's saying Subway helped me lose weight?
Yeah, and this is when like Subway is still like a fast food thing, right? So Subway wanted
Yeah.
to reposition itself as like a super healthy veggie alternative that you can go for. So fuck Pizza Hut, fuck Domino's, fuck McDonald's. Subway is the shit. And हम ketchup भी नहीं दे रहे हैं. तो उनका
Oh
अपना
my god,
start
I've
हो
had
गया
a
था.
fight in Subway like maybe 10 years ago.
Exactly.
I'm buying my favorite Subway order and
Yeah.
I'm like, please, can I have ketchup?
हाँ.
And he's like, sorry, ma'am, it has calories. We don't sell ketchup.
Imagine that.
I said, you are literally selling Magic Masala Lays.
Exactly.
You are selling me Coca-Cola.
Exactly.
You're selling me
mayo,
Fanta.
you're selling everything.
But why
there.
are you not selling freaking ketchup?
And Subway, the breads literally can't be classified as breads.
Why?
In France and in one more country, I'm forgetting which one, because of the ingredients that they use, that it's not even fucking wheat, bro. It's not wheat.
Now
They're
I'm
adding-
really craving
they're adding
Subway.
like fucking potato starch
Now
and corn
I'm
starch.
really craving
Fuck
Subway.
Subway. Fuck. So anyway, Jared ka
Oh,
use kiya.
God.
They're like, हाँ ठीक है, this guy was fucking coming in. They're having subs every day. He became the poster child for everything to do with Subway. Now, new controversy releases. It's like early 1000 stuff. New controversy that this guy actually wasn't having subs every day and he was on a diet plan.
Of
And
course.
this became a whole thing and everyone fucking hated Jared. Pura
Why not hate Subway?
Because it's not, you can, how can you hate an organization? An individual is easier to hate.
Yeah.
I don't
Which makes me think of the new one going on, the Poonam thing.
पूनम पांडे ने pussies खोल दी हैं.
क्या through my detox when all of this
forgotten
happened.
about her.
I don't know who Poonam
did-
Pandey is. I don't care. But we have
she
seen
was
this in
like-
movies before, where when someone fakes their own death, and it's always felt a bit strange. Like you don't know if it's a cool campaign or not.
Maybe, you know what?
What do
In
you
a way, I
think?
sort of appreciate it because, you know,
Why?
we've all fantasized us dying in
But-
our daydreams.
but
We've all done it. And
but
we're like,
in
"Ye
school we
roega,
used to
nahi
do it.
roega."
I don't think I've done it as an adult.
Lately, to nahi kar sakte because
Have
you're
you
like,
have
maybe
you done
everyone's
it?
fucking relieved.
Anyone who's watching this, if you fantasize
you
about your
fantasizing?
death, please write to us in
Are
the
you
comments.
even living if you're fantasizing about your death?
I mean,
so
yeah.
we all did it, and she's like, "Fuck it, it's a great idea. It's a great PR gig. Let me just go for it. I'm just gonna fucking go for it. Uski jo bhi marketing
For
team hai,
cancer.
everybody."
Or maybe they convinced her that it's for a good
Dude,
cause.
she already wanted to do it. Then they decided as an afterthought that it's going to be about cancer.
But the actors who really fell for it are really upset. So at least she should
who
have
were the
sent.
actors? So I didn't get into it properly. I
So
just sent you
I'm
that
just,
one
no,
thing.
I'm just thinking that some of her acquaintances who weren't important enough to receive emails but were important enough कि वो text भेज देंगे अगर तुम मरोगे तो
Yeah.
उनके साथ सबसे बुरा हो गया है ना कुछ उन्होंने stories डाल दी अपनी vulnerable emotions डाल दिए हैं.
किसी ने tweet तो डाली होगी.
What if some people messaged her that
Let me
I've
search
always
for
been
a
in love
tweet.
with you?
I need to search for a tweet. For this.
Imagine that some people are like claiming that they're messaging her, I've always been in love with you, and she's like, I'm alive and I knew it.
कोई अपनी will change कर रहा है कि oh fuck I included Poonam in
No,
this
but
now.
what's Poonam's claim to fame? Who
Poonam's
is
play
she?
Sherlyn Chopra. I think Sherlyn Chopra and Poonam Pandey somewhat came at the same time because HT City में वो articles
Who's
आते
Sherlyn
थे.
Chopra?
You don't remember Sherlyn Chopra? You remember? Oh my God, threw up, man, threw up. Right now, what they've been doing, by the way, is that ये जितने भी like Modi sponsored news teams होती हैं and news channels, उसमें they've been randomly.
I like
coming
how
up-
you didn't include a Mr. before.
Mr. Mo, you know what I mean, Mr. Mo. All of them, उसमें and
Mr. MD. I'm so sorry.
cancelled. The show just got cancelled, bro.
Before we
But-
could take off.
Dude, they came as legit people with actual opinions that
Yeah.
these girls have things to
Yeah.
say apart from their body, and the anchors are actually talking about, हाँ तो आप shoot, oh Maldives के time पे आया था. Remember the whole Maldives वाली controversy?
Yeah, you told me.
Fuck Maldives
something.
वाला thing started up because they
It's like
said,
I don't have to read the newspaper because I'm friends with you.
Yeah, that's true.
So if I meet you once every 3 days, I'm updated.
I'm like a rap.
I don't know how.
I'm a news
I don't
rap.
know how like there are some people whose whole personality is just to read the news.
Sahil is only spending good part of his last 2 hours in
What?
bed going through
How is
everything.
current affairs a whole personality?
How is it current? How
What
is
do you
this
mean?
current? It needs to be past affairs. I don't care already. The minute I read about the Poonam Pandey thing, I was just like, "Okay, fine, she did this, Baba." But then I saw a Vice news article. I saw another एक और कौन सा है Insta पे. They all started writing fucking articles about cervical cancer
Yeah,
because they're
that's
like,
the
now
thing,
it's
that's the
trending.
thing.
Cancer is trending.
6 hours later.
Okay, so this is my Zomato, right? The first thing I'm fucking doing.
Based on your hunger, what kind of hunger do you have right now?
चाहे जो hunger होएगा ना, quality always comes first.
I
So
really want to
rating
know how
4.0
different
क्या है?
people order Zomato.
Unless I'm ordering momos. अगर मैं momos कर रही हूँ तो मैं rating बिल्कुल नहीं डाल रही हूँ.
What?
Momos have nothing to do with rating. Is
What are
what
you
I've realized
talking
with my
about?
experience.
The algorithm works on rating, no?
नहीं यार, all of this shit is paid.
Reached out at the same time. Cheers.
All of this shit is paid.
Okay,
Don't you
fine.
remember Miss Pinto?
I mean, yeah,
I
shit's
told you about
paid. I mean, when I'm just feeling like I need comfort, I'll just do fucking Domino's. Sorry, I used the F word.
We can use the F word. Fuck. So, yeah.
If
okay.
you remove the rating,
There is Miss Pinto. That's the only place I've left a review for. Apart from this one other place in Milan. ठीक है, 2 जगह के लिए मैंने actually heartfelt.
oh my god,
negative
there was a
emotions
big
डाले हैं.
Prosuma Momo kitchen wave.
I still order from Prosuma.
And then
Momo.
it just suddenly it was like
But it was
finding
more,
out that the actually just crocine like crushed with a bit of
But
like
how do you
tuna.
know that's true?
No,
But
because
that's actually true. That's
I
what
was
they do.
obsessed when Prosuma came.
Huh.
And then a few times I got like packs delivered to my house and it smelled like expired Fevicol sitting out in the
Dude,
sun.
they gave me chicken
Like, really
momos
bad.
instead of vegetarian ones. So Sahil
Yeah.
was fucking excited because now he gets to have 2 different kinds
Yeah.
of them. And I bit into it and I start crying, right? Because like Fine, I'll cook with it and I'll do all of that stuff. I don't want to fucking eat it. So immediately I call them. I'm like
Yeah.
texting. I'm doing all of that stuff, and I'm like, "How तुम लोग ये कैसे कर रहे हो यार?"
What did they say? Did they send you veg
Apologies,
ones?
all refund, no.
I mean, yeah,
Refund, blah,
Zomato
blah, blah.
does have a good customer care.
Yeah, they do. They do.
Did you
But
have any funny customer care?
that was a very interesting one. Okay. So I got hit on by one of the Zomato dudes and on fucking text. This guy, this is like years ago, okay? So before I met Sahil, that's when I used to get carried away by Zomato dudes. No, I'm kidding. Anyway,
Okay.
but so this guy, it's the middle of the night, Baking Bad order
Okay,
kiya tha at
okay.
the pizza, right?
Okay.
The guy comes, delivery aayi nahi hai. It's been like hours now. I've been waiting forever. I don't understand what the hell is going on. So I'm texting the guy and I'm like, listen, it hasn't come. I want to cancel my order. I don't think this is fair, etc., etc. And I just write things.
What's
and I'm
this?
speaking, Baking Bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
baking.
zoned out.
Oh.
Go for it. Go for it.
Is it the eye makeup?
No, I just zoned out.
Okay. So the guy's like, cool. Can I call you? And I'm like, yeah, it's Zomato. It's fine. You can call me. He calls me and he's talking to me and he's like, sorry, ma'am, but South Indian fellow. Sorry, ma'am.
Don't copy that.
Can't do it anyway. The accent. Okay. Won't happen again. Just wait for like 10 minutes. I promised you. No, I give you my guarantee.
Oh,
and now,
God.
obviously, I want to fool around a little bit as well. So I'm like, huh, sure, you promised me, right? Are you sure you promised me? Okay, if you say it, then I'll wait. He's like, cool. I cut the call and I'm nice to him. And that's all it takes in India is to just be slightly nice
Not
to a
always,
guy.
but fine.
Mostly.
Fine.
I get a text on Zomato chat. So
Okay.
this is not even something
Fine,
that he thought
fine.
he should try not doing.
The build-up
he
is too
texted
much.
there saying, it was great speaking with you. You have such a lovely voice. And I'm like, what the fuck? And I'm like, okay, when will the pizza come? And he's like, it's on its way, ma'am. And everything ends with like a wink emoji. And it's like that text
too
wala wink
funny.
emoji.
Yeah. I've started sending it again
To
these
bring it
days.
back. To bring it back.
Because one of my old bosses
Huh.
used to send it to everyone, non-sexually.
Because I think men older.
An art
didn't
curator,
know.
if I must
They
say.
didn't know. They just thought they were being cute.
Zomato things that happen, and can you tell about when your phone got stolen?
Oh my god! The phone! The phone. Can I start with that it was stolen by a man named Saddam Hussein? And I cannot make this shit up at all.
Oh, that's hilarious.
So it's New Year's. It's a cute little party. You weren't
Which
here.
city are you in
Delhi.
at this point? Because you travel so much.
That's true. That is true.
So you're in Delhi, you're ordering Zomato.
We're at my place, 5-6 of us, and everyone's super close, so it's no way there's
So
anybody.
it's New
all
Year, so the guy is
trustworthy.
probably
31st January.
trying to lean on the fact that everyone's wasted.
Wasted beyond recognition, and we were, because obviously I didn't even think about the phone till much later, 3 p.m. the next day is when I actually remember that, fuck, I don't have my phone on me. The guy comes in, he delivers pizza. We order from this place, Dawson. We order from Dawson
you
because
order
that's
from
the only
Dawson.
thing delivering that time,
Yeah,
right? There's
yeah,
not, you don't get a
yeah.
lot of options around that time. So we're ordering from Dawson and the guy comes, he delivers. I have accidentally just placed my phone on this tiny little ledge that I have outside my house, right there. And it has candles around, drinks around, so I forgot about it. We went out for a smoke break. Everyone's chilling, talking, go back in. There's a lot of in and out, right?
That's what she said.
That's what you
Anyway, yeah.
So now we get the pizzas. This guy gingerly sort of approaches the doorstep. Sahil goes
Saddam
to
Hussein.
get...
Can you just name him?
He is Saddam Hussein.
Every time
his
you-
name is actually Saddam Hussein.
Just
This
be
is
like,
not something I'm
Saddam
making
Hussein
up, okay?
comes
Yeah.
to the door.
He quietly comes to the door. Sahil goes down till just get the pizzas right at the... So there's like an entire staircase, right?
Okay.
So he meets him there, not even up there where the phones and the candles and the drinks are. He goes, gets the pizzas, comes back up, and now we're obviously fucking wasted. There's a lot of music and everything, and he closes one of the doors. There are 2 doors. So closes the wooden door. Some point, he spots the phone and goes. The next day, 3 p.m., I start looking for my phone. It's
So
a
you
frantic
haven't
fucking
checked-
search. And I remember going into this fucking couch like this, right? I'm doing everything. Putting my hands into places I never thought of. I looked at places where I thought, shayad maine
So
kar
then
liya
how
hoga.
do you think Dawson guy had it?
So, Find My iPhone, I check on the laptop. I don't really see it there that day. I start thinking, racking my brain. Obviously, it's a very close group of people. There are like 5 or 6 of us, and everybody fucking knows each other forever. So they're not doing anything with phones for sure. Like, they're so fucking well brought up that they won't even know where to sell a phone on a black market. Like, they just be like, "Kya matlab, phone to online khareedte hai." Those are the people. So we know.
Yeah.
The guy, somewhere on the first, I remember going to the bathroom and just like having these tears.
Aww.
And I'm just like, I fucking
You're
want
the girl
it
who cries
back.
on 1st January.
Yeah,
Aww.
I cried at 9 p.m. At 9 p.m. I'm like, I know Tosin guy took my pizza. I don't care if this is classist.
No
I have
way.
decided on this. So I'm like, वही लेके गया, मैं जा रही हूँ. So I tell him, he's just like, he's game for it. We've done like the whole FIR.
Who's him? Who's Sahil? You keep
Sahil.
referring.
Sahil's a lovely, he's our lovely daddy. He
You keep
sponsors
referring
everything.
to him and
He's
Sahil.
daddy now. So
Okay.
he's like, okay, we've done the FIR. It's not going to take a lot of time.
So you
I
did
mean,
the FIR.
that doesn't mean anything. The guy is like, I search on Find My, and it shows us this really weird location in Chhatarpur where there are only flats. We gave it to the cops. The cops said that it's like a chawl, for a lack of a better word, a chawl with so many houses that it's hard to locate exactly where this one is going to be. He threw away the SIM, but of course he turned the phone on and it connected to. He wasn't like a really class chore.
That's
you know?
why Saddam Hussein is not alive.
I know. He didn't know how to hide. He doesn't know how to hide, man.
Saddam Hussein didn't know how to hide.
Round 2. So now I'm like, fuck it. I'm
Please
going to
forgive
Tossin.
me.
Now I walk all the way to Tossin, which is a cloud kitchen.
Yeah.
And it's in Vasant Kuch itself.
Yeah.
So we walk there and around 9 p.m. I decided, fuck it, I'm going there. 10 p.m. we reached there. 10 p.m. we're like, 9:30 was him convincing me not do this, blah, 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 conversations. 10 o'clock we're there and we're like, I know
You
your
reached
guy.
the chawl.
No, Tossin, the cloud kitchen.
Okay.
I was like, I know your guy took my phone. He delivered the other night. Who was the person who delivered on the 31st night? I need to know his name, etc. The manager knew about it already. So he went like, sure ma'am, let me find out and stuff. And the weirdest thing is this didn't rattle him. So he's so used to people just like stealing shit
Yeah.
that he's just like, हाँ, किया होगा,
That's
let me
weird.
just figure this out.
That's weird.
And he's like, his name was Saddam Hussein.
That's weird.
What the fuck? Saddam Hussein. And the guy gives us his number and everything. He's like, you can call him. I've told him to come meet you at your other house. So he came to the other house. He comes and this guy is the cutest fucking ball. Yeah, I couldn't get angry at him.
No.
He literally showed up to the house and he meets me there. He's on his scooter and everything. And he just comes and he's like, with this little, sorry ma'am.
That's so crazy.
Yeah, he went like,
That's
sorry.
crazy.
And he gave it to me and I'm like, भैया क्या कर रहे हो आप? And then he's like, नहीं मैम first time था. I was like, वो तो पता है.
That's
SIM
crazy.
card on करके कौन phone on
That's
करता है? Like
crazy.
that's so weird. And I was like, SIM card कहाँ है? He's like, वो मैंने फेंक दिया. नहीं, वो मैंने SIM card side में रखा था. मम्मी सफाई कर रही थी room में तो उनने फेंक दिया. Dude.
I mean, the things we go through with Zomato.
This is it. This is what I'm telling you. It's not just about Bro Momo.
Oh, God.
It's more than that.
No, it's more than that. I mean, now Zomato is literally Blinkit. And that's
But
like a
Blinkit
whole...
is Amazon.
What do you mean?
Blinkit has everything on it.
Yeah, of course. But it's insane.
Blinkit has hair straighteners, hair dryer. I just ordered a hair dryer from
I ordered a
Blinkit.
vacuum cleaner.
What the fuck are we doing?
It was like $2,000.
What the fuck are we doing? We can't even wait for 10 minutes
No,
for a vacuum cleaner. We're
yeah.
like, मेरे को अभी सफाई चाहिए.
What else? Do you think we'll be ordering children? IVF कर Blinkit से?
Sperm.
Insulin? Sperm donor order करे Blinkit
Sperm
से?
donor इंडिया में तो कोई कमी नहीं है. मुझे लग रहा है everyone's just waiting to donate their sperms right now.
Wombs की कमी है.
Rooms की कमी है. Rooms की कमी है.
Rooms की कमी है. Wombs की कमी है. Okay, so yeah, what's the most expensive thing you ordered on Blinkit?
One item would be the hair dryer. Because no,
Is it
no.
like-
I ordered the room heater also. Then
What?
I ordered an extra space heater for last year's New Year's because I thought शायद ठंड होगी but global warming हो गई ना.
But we've stopped going to shops.
We've stopped. I don't miss that at all.
Why?
I don't want to sit there in front of Kaka store
I
asking
mean,
them
we never
like,
used to sit anyway, but
But I don't want to even stand there and
Why?
have a conversation with
Why?
them. I'm done with conversations. I'm having one right now and it's fucking amazing. I like these kind of conversations.
so did you
Are
invest?
we just looking for for content everywhere that we go
No,
now.
did you invest when Zomato went public?
No,
Why not?
because I don't do anything with the Indian stock market yet.
Why not?
I don't know. I've just never.
You would
gotten into
understand it better than anyone because you are
it. I
Indian.
think I got so used to.
And you are such a good consumer.
I'm a great consumer.
Yeah, so then.
I consume the most, but I think I'm not sure. I just felt like it was so uncle to do
Is it the same bias that doesn't let people listen to Bollywood music
Yeah.
without cringing?
Yeah.
Baby, you're missing out,
But
baby.
I'm there. Guess who's grooving the hardest to your sets? It's me, right up front, out of nowhere. I'm like,
You're missing out.
"Shubhali," it's always there.
No, come on, of course.
Yeah.
Not all music is good, but not all music is bad.
क्या तुम अब ऐसी sentences नहीं बोल सकते यार? Not all music is good, not all music is bad.
Not all Saddams are bad.
Should we fucking order? I think we're just getting wasted.
I'm really hungry.
This is
Yeah, I'm
stomach
so
shit.
wasted.